Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the French Martini. The trend of flavored martinis in the 1990s was ignited by the introduction of the French Martini. Comprising of vodka, pineapple juice, and Chambord, the cocktail gained recognition in the late 1980s when it made its debut at the renowned Balthazar restaurant in New York City. The moniker French Martini stems from the incorporation of Chambord black raspberry liqueur, a French-produced spirit with a history dating back to the 17th century. The infusion of Chambord, coupled with pineapple juice, imparts a delightful fruitiness to the cocktail. Numerous adaptations of the French Martini exist. Certain variations swap out vodka for gin, providing the cocktail with a botanical flair. Alternatively, some replace Chambord with a different liqueur. However, the original recipe endures for a specific reason. Its simplicity, delightful taste, and visually appealing presentation make for a wonderful cocktail. I'm going to show you how to make it today. All right, for this drink, we have ice already to go in our shaker. We're going to use 2 ounces of vodka. As you've seen many times probably before on this channel, we love Tito's vodka here. It's our go-to, both for the price and the quality. It's hard to beat. 2 ounces of our vodka. We're going to use a 1/2 ounce of Chambord. This should really give the drink a nice funky color to it as well. You can see in the bottle here the color it has. Then we're going to use 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Fresh is always the way to go. In other videos, we talked about using canned pineapple juice. I think it's okay to use canned pineapple juice. It's a harder fruit to squeeze. You can only find it fresh locally. This stuff, though, I switched to for today. The ingredients in this is 2 to 3 pineapples, and that is literally it. Had to give it a good shake. It does separate. It's not going to last very long, but you can buy this at your local store and have the fresh pineapple juice experience. So give it a quick little shake again. Then we're going to use 1.5 ounces of that. All right, let's go ahead and shake this one up. And straight into our coupe. Gonna skip the garnish for this one. If I had to pick something, I'd probably go with like a raspberry. It's the winter here. Raspberries are not in season. They're not fresh. So I'm gonna skip the garnish. Don't think you really need one for this drink. Let's go ahead and try it out. Cheers. That's a fantastic cocktail. I'm not usually a huge fan of martinis. Honestly, it's kind of just vodka or gin in a glass, chilled. In this case though, the pineapple juice, the Chambord with the black raspberry, adds just a little to it, adds a little bit of sweetness to it, makes it a much more sippable drink. Guys, if you haven't tried this one before, go ahead and try a French Martini. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Cheers. The trend of flavored martinis in the 1990s was ignited by the introduction of the French Martini. Comprising of vodka, pineapple juice, and Chambord, the cocktail gained recognition in the late 1980s when it's made its debut at the renowned Balthazar